What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to bring you guys a $2.6 million property tour. So stay tuned. It's coming up right after this.
Your trusted real estate source. One video at a time.
Welcome back, guys. I'm going to bring you a little bit different type of video. Today, I'm going to do a $2.6 million property tour. I'm out here in beautiful Edmonds, Washington. It's a beautiful day out here. And enough of me talking, let's go check out the house. Bottom area, you walk up to the main floor here. 4,400 square foot house. All the rights go to Frank Hammerwood Town Center Realty. And what a beautiful house. This is a brand new construction. Thermador fridge. Beautiful chef's kitchen, super open. Look at this deck. Amazing views of the sound, looking out west. All these custom iron rails, I love that. Come around and kind of like a little bit of a sitting area. Super cool office with these barn sliding doors. Not a bad place to have an office. Walk up your stairs when you can have an elevator in your house. Check this out, guys. A full commercial grade elevator. We're going up level 4. All right, we're going up. Level 4, there's 4 floors on this house. And well, if you don't really want to walk upstairs, then we'll just roll up the elevator. Pretty cool. All right. We are on the 4th floor now. I'm gonna push this back all the way. And here we are. Getting off of the 4th floor, right onto the master level. Not a bad way to get up to your master suite, just take an elevator. Get off double doors, huge vaulted ceilings. Here's the master bathroom. Walk-in shower. Couple rainfall heads. This is the master closet. Kind of wraps around. Got another bedroom up here on the very top floor, and another bedroom with one of the best views that you're probably gonna find in the Puget Sound area. All right, we're coming back around. Yeah, this elevator is pretty sweet, guys. It has 2 different entrances too. So it has one right here, and then down below it has one down here. So let's go back down. Close this little gate. So let's go. All right, so we're going all the way down to level 1. So put in the comments, guys, what do you think the coolest part of this house is? I know what it is. And if you are interested in, looking at property in Washington, this area in Edmonds, Washington is absolutely beautiful. You get 360 views of the Puget Sound, the Olympic mountain ranges. This particular property is listed for 2.6. So I'll put my personal bio information in the description down there. But yeah, put in the comments, what do you guys think of the property so far? We are down on level 1. And the elevator clicked, that means it's done. So let's see what we got here. All right, we are in the garage, huge garage. So there you guys have it. You can go from your master bedroom, and the lights come on automatically. That's a pretty cool touch. You can come from your master bedroom in the morning, roll out of bed, hop in the elevator, straight into your car. Not a bad way to live. We are back at the kitchen level. Close it up. These huge windows, absolutely amazing view. Tons of parking down there. It's a very secluded area of Edmonds as well. It's right next to Picnic Point Road on Puget Sound Boulevard, so it is a two-way road compared to Possession Lane. But you get, some of the best vantage points of the sound down here. Some other things to note in this house: each floor has its own heat pump. Each floor has its own AC unit, so super top of the line. There's a $20,000 solar system on this house too. And to top it off, this fridge is $17,000. So here's a $17,000 fridge if any of the viewers out there have never seen one. This is the freezer portion. This is a Thermador. Super heavy duty, super cool. And then here's the fridge portion. Super cool, kind of walk around the kitchen here. Kind of a cool cutout there. All appliances are Thermador. All right, head back down. All right, guys, so that kind of wraps up the property tour. $2.6 million. Like I said, if you guys have any interest, you're looking for property out here in the Puget Sound area, my contact info is in the bio. Or if you simply want to see a cool property, put in the comments what you guys think of the property. And I kind of went vlog style today, so hopefully you guys liked it, and we'll see you for the 3 videos next week. Peace.